The Adventures of Starsky and Hutch, Episode 9. Starsky is 1 year old and Hutch is 4 months old. Both of them are outdoor cats. Both of them are male. And as you recall from Episode 8, we were dealing with the issue of whether or not Hutch was going to return from his first expedition leaving the cat door. So as you can see here, it's 5:22 in the morning, and he takes off as Starsky is in the litter box. And then Starsky comes out of the litter box and he can immediately sense that something ain't right. He's like, what's going on? Where's my buddy Hutch? And so this is about 5 minutes after Hutch has taken off. And then Starsky quickly realizes that Hutch is MIA. And his anxiety levels go through the roof. And he's not sure what to do. He's so concerned about his buddy Hutch. He can't believe that he took off to the outside world without him. Let alone the fact that he was in the litter box when it happened. Oh, these guys. So Starsky's not sure what to do. Starsky, to my knowledge, has never been out of the shed. Later in this episode, he'll kind of peek out the front door, but that's about as far as he goes. He's trying to relax, but he just can't. He's worried about his buddy. I love this video clip of him right here. So then I think he might see him through the door. It's hard to tell. I keep on playing with the camera angles. And so now it's been 25 minutes that Hutch has been gone, and Starsky is in full panic mode. He's like, what to do, what to do, what to do? And to his surprise, Hutch actually comes back. Hutch is like, what's the big deal, man? And then the way Starsky reacts is so cute. He's like, man, I'm so happy you're home. Don't you dare leave me again. And then Hutch apparently has worked up a bowel movement because he's got to go. And then Starsky's so cute. Whenever Hutch goes in the litter box, he gets all worked up for some reason because he can hear Hutch moving that litter around. So Hutch is so cute. He kind of comes back with a little pep in his step. He feels on top of the world because he was able to get out and explore. He's so proud of himself. He's like, yeah, I'm the man. No big deal. He worked up an appetite, probably. And then my buddy Starsky manages to get his claw stuck again in this enclosure. Hopefully he will learn soon enough, because it kind of makes me nervous every time I see it. You can see right here. He's got it stuck, this little clown. And then he comes ripping through here, and it's like a cat fur tornado right in front of the camera. You'll see. Look at that. Oh man. Luckily, I'm not allergic to cats. And then, believe it or not, my buddy Hutch is getting ready to leave the cat door again. This little guy is getting brave. It's 5:53 in the morning, and he's like, man, I gotta get outside. I gotta get a taste of the outdoors. And Starsky's like, no, not again. Oh, man. I don't know what to do with these guys. I'm so happy that they're not running away. That was kind of a concern of mine, that they would leave the cat door and never come back, but I've been pretty good about giving them treats and some high quality food and purified water. So I think it's been, I think Hutch has been gone for 10 minutes, and Starsky can't take it anymore. He reacts the same way. I'm so happy you're back. Where'd you go? Tell me about it. Now it's playtime. I just bought him that enclosure from Amazon. It's a heated enclosure. There's a heating pad on the bottom that I can plug in for the really cold nights. I remember my mom's cat used to love to lay in front of the heating vents at the house. So I think they're probably just going to love those warm temperatures. So then I'm not really sure where Hutch is at right now, but these next two video clips, Starsky appears to be looking for Hutch. But I didn't see on the camera where he took off again, so it's hard to know what's going on. But Starsky senses that something is off. And he's going to get to the bottom of it. He's like, forget about it. I'll just eat some more food. It seems like that food was gone a long time ago, but they keep on licking the bowl. Maybe there's little bits and pieces along the edge. And then he's kind of looking for Hutch again. So now we're going to fast forward maybe 5 hours, and I have just refilled their food and water dishes and put some treats on the block of wood for them. And this is my buddy Hutch. He's dying to get back outside for some adventure. And then Starsky comes down from the attic, and guess what he wants to do? He wants to eat the treats. All the treats. So Starsky just wants to eat, and Hutch just wants to go explore. Look at that. There's a full bowl of food, and he's just not even barely interested. So here comes Starsky. Starsky, he's going to gobble down these treats. And then he'll come on over to the other one and gobble those ones down as well. One of these days, Hutch is going to learn that the early bird gets the worm, because I don't know if I've caught Hutch eating any treats on camera. It always seems to be that Starsky just gobbles them all down. But Hutch does a pretty good job about, he does enjoy this wet cat food that I get him. He likes gobbling that stuff down. Yeah, so this is my new Ring camera. It's supposed to record in color in the evenings as well. But I don't know if I have a setting incorrect or what, but it's it still appears to be in black and white. But with my new camera installed, I mentioned this in my previous video, I got a notification that my battery was already at 30%. My brand new camera that I fully charged up to 100%. And so I looked on the recordings to see what the heck was going on. And just from the weekend alone, these guys were setting off the camera 950 video clips. To be honest, I felt kind of overwhelmed, so I just downloaded the most recent 150 and went through those, and I turned down the sensitivity on the camera because I just can't sort through that many video clips day after day. So here in a minute, Starsky is actually gonna take a peek out the front door, which he doesn't really do. He kind of stays away from the front door, but I did catch him peeking out just a little bit, so that's a good sign. I want him to get out and explore. The whole reason I got these guys is so they can manage my rodent population. We've got so many mice running around outside. They try to get into my vehicle and chew on everything. Yeah, so here's Starsky. He's going to take a peek out the front door. This is a big deal for him. He's not sure what to make of it. It's good to see Hutch eating, because he's not always interested in food, but I always feel good when I see him gobbling that stuff down. So I'm going to try to get on a schedule for these videos. I'm not sure what the plan is, but so far they've been still pretty fun to produce, so we'll keep them going for now until I get overwhelmed with another 900 videos. So as you can see, Hutch moves over to the other food bowl because the wet food is on top and the dry food is on the bottom. So I got a feeling he's eating the wet food and skipping the dry food, the little guy. But anyway, this video is wrapping up. That's all I've got for you today. Thanks for watching the Nash Potatoes Outdoor Show. Please subscribe to my channel. We will see you next time.